YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Cadillac J back with another video. Before you want to get into this, just want to let y'all know that this is my second video, and I'm gonna be taking it back a little bit, just showing y'all some of the things, some of the cars from my last shop that my last print shop that I worked at, the place behind us. Used to do cars, like a lot of body kits and stuff for SEMA and stuff like that. So drop a couple gems for y'all. Some of these cars you guys can probably seen at the SEMA show, maybe even riding around Phoenix. Some of you guys never even seen these cars. I do not know all the names of these cars, to be honest with you, but I just know that some of this shit is just some legendary dope ass shit. You know, no question, nigga want to get there eventually. Click that bell, like, subscribe, leave me a little comment, let me know what you think about the video, things that you might want to see in the future, stuff like that. Like I said, I'm gonna keep the content coming here shortly. I'm gonna start doing work on my truck, get some things done, some spots that I want to take care of as far as the paint goes. Want to eventually maybe put me a sound system in there, you know, riding around my E40 type shit, you know. But yeah, man, just remember, stay focused, stay positive, and keep striving for greatness every day and focus on them goals. But here's to the video. Hey, Sean. Bitch ain't even got no plate on it, dog. What's up, bro? I'm on. Hey, Sean. Bespoke. Shout out to my guy Sean, that creative. Look at that carbon fiber all on the hood. Top level shit right here, boy. Look at this. AMG with the carbon ceramic brakes. Oh yeah, don't get it twisted, baby. My man's be over here getting it in with these body kits. Look at the wing, carbon fiber. Look at them side skirts.
do. Got them 20s on there, them 20s. I just
if you let me, ironic, I drown just to hold you down. I jump off the ledge if you're with me. I break you up, you just let me down. Let me down. Let me down.
Killer beans. Killer
I'm not sure if my boy Sean has a website or not, but he do full body kits, even on the Tesla. Look at this thing looking heavy. Oh, did somebody say a Phantom? Look at the rolls. There ain't no Phantom, but look how clean that thing is. And best believe, we put them new 4Gs on the feet. Yeah, top level shit, baby. Look at the Bentley sitting on the deuces. Yeah, baby. Boy, look at the peppermint interior. Full interior job to match the outside. Look at the carbon fiber all on the grill.
Well, very nice.